Hey guys, in this video, I will show you what to do if your iPhone starts to drain the battery like crazy after the iOS 16 update. Many owners claim that shortly after updating their iPhone to iOS 16, their devices reportedly started to drain the battery quicker than before. If you are one of the owners with this problem, here are the things you have to do. Disable the background app refresh. Many users claim that this method has helped in improving the battery life in an iPhone that runs the iOS 16. This will prevent apps from using your internet connection when idle. It means that only apps that you use will be able to refresh. To do this, launch Settings from the home screen. Find and tap General. Tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh at the top of the screen. Choose Off to disable it. Turn off location services. The next thing you will have to disable are the location services. There are a lot of apps and services on your iPhone that require you to have access to your location, and while it may be beneficial, these services often drain the battery faster. Go back to the settings page. Scroll down a little bit and then tap Privacy. Tap Location Services. Now tap the switch next to Location Services to disable it. These two procedures are often enough to improve the battery life of your iPhone. However, if the battery continues to drain quicker than before, then try the next solution. Reset all settings. iPhone users who didn't have success improving the battery life of their device resorted to bringing the settings back to default configuration. This procedure is safe, but has been proven effective against this problem. This is how it is done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security locks. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to use the phone as you normally would to see if it still drains the battery quickly. Factory reset your iPhone. If the previous solutions fail to fix the problem and your iPhone still drains the battery quickly, then you have no other option but to reset your device. Majority of those who have this problem found success in this solution. However, make sure to back up your files before you do it. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security locks. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap the Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. Enter your Apple ID password and then touch Erase to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device. I hope that this troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.